Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have a Look Fantastic special edition box. And this is what it looks like. And it's another one of their awesome boxes. So let's get in here and see what's inside. I am really anxious to see what is in this box. Look Fantastic reached out and asked if I would like to review this on the channel. So this was gifted to me for review. And I printed out the email, which told me a little bit about everything that was in the box, but I tried to skim past it. So I have printed it so that we'll have something to read about, but I'm not sure what's in here. So I know that it's $180 worth of value and it is a $50 box. I will put my link and my code below, which is Kathrin22. And with that, you will get 22% off this box, which brings it down, by my math, brings it down to under $40. So let's get in here and see exactly what we've got. I'm just gonna take the lid off really quickly. And again, it's one of their nice thick boxes. I love these boxes for storage or for gifting. When we open it up, ooh, it's all packed in pink. I love that. So that's what we have. Reaching in right on top, we have the Slip Scrunchies, and this is the skinny scrunchie. And I actually have some of these. While their claim to fame is that you can use them and they won't leave your hair crimped, another thing is they slip out of your hair easily when you want them to. They stay in well when you're using them, but they don't pull and tug when you're taking them out. And I need that because sometimes if I pull a scrunchie out or if I've worn any kind of ponytail holder, it pulls my hair with it and I just don't have the hair to waste. And that is what it looks like. And it's just a scrunchie, but I hope it comes across. It's made out of a real silky material. Actually, I've been wanting a slip pillowcase, and this is the same material. I know, that's completely off track, but this is the same material. And you can get 6 of these for $39, which makes each one $6.50. Reaching in next, we have First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, and it is 28 pads. That is what that looks like. And let's see what I have for information. It says that 28 pads has a $17 value, a daily treatment pad that contains just the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types, including sensitive. I always pass these along. I'm really tempted to try them. Cucumber and Indian gooseberry help tone skin, while lemon peel, and licorice root leave the complexion looking bright and glowing. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. Just when I was getting brave enough to try lactic and glycolic acids, they throw in licorice root, which I am allergic to. So I will set these aside to pass along. Okay, and reaching in next, I have a lippy, and it is by Illamasqua, and it is antimatter lipstick in, oh, that looks very pink if that's the color, glow stick. That is what the box looks like. Let's see what glow stick looks like. I wonder if it looks like, you know, glow stick. The picture is very pink. Glow stick, for some reason, makes me think like yellow, but ooh, the bottom of it is also very pink. Hello Barbie. That is definitely a bright Barbie pink. Knowing me like I do, I'm also gonna go ahead and set this aside because I don't think that I will wear this color. Actually, I have a color very similar to this. It is a tart that I also got in a box that I went ahead and swatched and set aside, hoping I'd wear it during the summer. Now, we didn't get out much this summer, but I have that. This says that it is Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick, various shades, and it is 20 pounds. I'll try and put the exchange rate here for you. Long-lasting, color-intense lipsticks with a semi-matte cushioned finish, halfway between matte and satin, antimatter lipsticks glide onto lips smoothly and provide comfortable, continuous wear. Okay, reaching in next, I have a Philip B Weightless Volumizing Conditioner, Hydrating Detangler. Magnolia flowers is the color. We're gonna smell this, but also look how pretty the end of it is. That's just the cap. It's so pretty, but that is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. I will, a weightless conditioner, you know I'm gonna use it. Magnolia flowers. I would like to know what that smells like. It is just a lightweight cream. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. If you are super sensitive to scents, this smells like you would expect magnolia flowers to smell. It smells like Georgia in the summer. It just smells so nice. Oh wow. It's very, very pretty. I like it a lot. It smells so good. Let's read a little bit about it. This is the Philip B. Weightless Volumizing Conditioner, $16 for 2 fluid ounces. Weightless Volumizing Conditioner is an ultra-light detangler that zeroes in on damaged areas, adding featherweight moisture to keep fine hair smooth, healthy, and gleaming. Technically advanced micellar molecules plump hair with weightless botanical moisture, body, and lusciousness. That's a good word, isn't it? Lusciousness. Gently detangles and conditions without weighing the hair down. Active botanicals such as rosemary, sunflower, and aloe provide hair with essential moisture for effortless styling. Infused with magnolia flower for a happy, fresh scent. A perfect daily conditioner for the whole family. All right. That smells so good. Okay, let's reach in here next. And I have a Wander Dive In Moisturizer. Ooh, that is nice. I am always, especially this time of year, so happy to try a new moisturizer. And this looks like a Wander tube. It is 1.69 fluid ounces and it has a $36 value. It says dive into 72 hours of moisture. This lightweight gel cream formula protects the skin while providing deep, long-lasting hydration. It's enriched with pentavitin, which is a saccharide isomerate, which binds water to skin and creates a moisture barrier, providing up to 72 hours of deep hydration. This potent hydrator helps to instantly smooth and strengthen skin's natural defenses, preventing moisture loss. Interesting. Well, let's see what it feels like. It has a nice safety seal on it. I'm going to put it on this hand so we don't confuse the scents with the Magnolia, which I almost can't say without a horrible southern accent, like I want to say Magnolia. This is a cute pink cream. I hope that comes across. You guys can tell it is pink. Feels very nice. When it starts to blend out, you can see it is kind of a cross between a cream and a gel. Oh, it's moisturizing my hand very nicely. My hand has absorbed that so quickly. That little bit that you saw me put on there, it's gone. My hand just absorbed that. I am definitely going to be trying this. Ooh, guess I should read the ingredients. I am good to go. It says, apply a pea-sized amount onto clean face and gently massage. Can be used each morning or night. And another upside to the Wander Beauty is it is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, BPA-free, and dermatologist tested. It is always free of parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and mineral oil. So that's why it has just a very light, virtually no scent, is because they don't put any synthetic fragrance in. It is gone. That feels so nice. I would love for my face to feel like that. It absorbed so quickly. Yeah, there's no scent. All right, and last we have a Snow Fox Skincare Herbal Youth Oil. It is plant-based, potent, and pure. I love the way the box looks. That looks so cool. Oh, the bottle is very pretty too, and that is what that looks like. It is 1 fluid ounce, and it says it has an $82 value. And I looked at the ingredients and I can totally use it, so I am so excited. It says it is a 7-blend anti-aging oil and treatment for dual function. For dry, mature skin types, a silky, lightweight anti-aging facial oil made from an antioxidant-rich 7-blend oil formula. It is further fortified with astragalus root extract and Brazilian paracris, known as nature's Botox, which may help slow the metabolic and physical signs of aging on a cellular level. And it releases micro-tensions in the face, thus smoothing out fine lines and preventing new ones from forming. That all sounds very interesting. And it also has blueberry seed oil in it, which is a lightweight, non-clogging oil rich with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids. Well, let's see what nature's Botox looks and feels like. I'm going to put it over here on the hand that we know has virtually no scent from the Wander Beauty. Just a couple of drops. It's kind of got a yellow tinge to it. It's now running down my hand. It's just a really light scent, kind of like you would expect, I know this sounds really lame, an oil to smell like maybe a little bit of the blueberry, and it's just very light, very pleasant. There's nothing too strong about it. There's nothing, you know, some oils are incredibly earthy smelling. This doesn't have that. It's just very light and nice. I'm gonna rub this into the back of my hand and we'll see in the next minute or two how well it absorbs, because that determines whether I like it at all, whether it's an only morning or a morning and an evening or an only evening. So many decisions to be made. And the directions say, apply a few drops on your palm or directly onto the skin. Gently massage around your face, focusing on wrinkle-prone areas. Use morning and evening. Made in Taiwan. Key ingredients from Australia. And having nothing to do with anything, it just gave me a giggle. It says it's distributed by Spa Monkeys, LLC. Now, I know that's the name of the company, and yet I see little spa monkeys in their little robes with their little turbans on their head distributing this. This says that it is not tested on animals, and people I know who shall remain nameless have said in the past, if it says that, what that means is that this is not tested on animals. It doesn't mean that the component parts in it haven't been tested on animals. I believe that's what that means. It has almost completely, see how I'm just kind of moist looking and it's just a little shiny, but it has completely absorbed. I would say, and I always use this as my standard with face oils, even if you use a powder foundation, like a Bare Minerals powder foundation, you could do it right over this. It wouldn't catch. You know what I mean? That absorbed really nicely. All right, so that is the Look Fantastic Special Edition box. It is a $50 box. I will put my link and code below, which is Kathrin22. It will get you 22% off this box, which, well, 20% would be $10. So it's a little more than $10, which will bring it to just under $40. So if you like the face oil, it more than doubles your money. Or if you like the Wander Moisturizer, it comes really close to paying for it. And we also got this nice Philip B conditioner to try, this nice slip hair scrunchie, the Illamasqua Barbie Pink lips, and the First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads. Let me know below, what do you guys think? It has a $180 value, but as I always say with all of these boxes, the value's only there if there are products that you will use. And I have to tell you, right here at the beginning of winter, when this is all starting to dry up and fall apart, that's barely an exaggeration. I love the idea of having these two products, and these two alone are well over $100, so I am very happy to give this a try. But let me know below what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by and spending the time with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys. Wow, I just touched this with the back of my other hand and it feels so good.